Welcome to Smart Technologies. This project name is Touchless Sanitizer. Here you can dispense sanitizer without actually touching the tap or any other device. This is the circuit part of the sanitizer. Now there is an adapter, a circuit and a water pump. The adapter converts 230 volts into 5 volts and this powers the entire circuitry. The circuitry is made of distance sensor, a relay and a water pump. The water pump pumps the sanitizer liquid out of the can into the hand of the person who want to dispense it. Now open the flap of this sanitizer. Place the circuit in a top-down manner into these holes and push it a little down. Insert the water pipe into the slot next to the sensor. Now fill the container 3/4 with the required liquid dispenser. Now place the sanitizer bottle or container into the place where the pump is then inserted into this container so that the liquid can be pumped out. Now insert the adapter into the power socket and observe the red light coming out, which indicates that it is properly powered. When it is properly powered, you can see that the LED is glowing on the circuit. Now, when everything is connected, just close the flap and gently push into this holder flap. The bottom of the dispenser is covered with a polythene cover so that it does not damage the cardboard because of the falling liquid. Now you can see there is a sensor. Beside that there is a pipe which dispenses the liquid. Now when you take your hand closer to the sensor, the liquid starts pouring in. Now the safety precautions. This is made of cardboard, but there is a liquid dispenser. So handle carefully, otherwise you will damage the outer or the container or the cabinet of the project. So handle carefully, the liquid should not spill on the cabinet. It's better to place a container on the bottom so that the liquid does not spill outside. Precautions: connect the circuit only when it is required. After the demo is over, just remove the adapter. The purpose of this sanitizer is to dispense sanitizer without actually touching it, because we know that the corona is affected if we touch the surfaces touched by the corona affected people. This is very helpful to sanitize people.